See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
At this point, I can easily say the FCT minister, Nelson Wike, is running mad. Because if this is not madness, Nigerians, please tell me why FCT minister allocated a canal for development. A canal, brother. Mona, see. This is literally under the bridge. I'm going to fly a drone so that you see. Under the bridge. As you can see, development is going on there. Wike allocated under the bridge. They don't fence them. Tell me why they are fencing the canal. Zoom the fence first. At this point, we don't have green areas in Abuja. At this point, we can just allocate green areas, place where trees supposed to grow, so that the air will spread. We can allocate them. Now, look inside here. If rain start to dey fall, where water won't pass, we can no care. We can allocate them for development. I'm telling you, come. I am telling you, literally under the bridge. Now, let me fly a drone so that you see where we are. Take that camera up. This is up.
Take off.
If I show now where we be, so that I go understand. All right, so Nigerians, please observe with me. Now, if you notice, the fence is directly beneath the bridge. Directly beneath the bridge. And you can see cars and Okada passing on top of the bridge. Now, there's a reason why there's a bridge there. It is there because there's water. There's a drainage. There's a canal under where water is channeled to pass. Now, tell me why he allocated this place for construction. Now, look at what they are doing there. See, they've constructed. Now, look at the edge beside the canal. I don't know what kind of building they want to do here, and I don't know what they want to use this place for. But for crying out loud, this place is a green area. It has been like this for the longest. I grew up in Abuja. I know what this place used to look like. If it is meant to be allocated, maybe El-Rufai, when El-Rufai was the minister, he would have done it. When Bala Mohammed was the minister, he would have done it. Nelson Wike came, all the green areas in Abuja are not safe. The recreational parks are not safe. It has allocated almost all of them. See now, see what they construct for green area. Now tell me, this water, the water that is supposed to pass through this channel that they built this drainage for, the water where make the drainage, if rain start to fall, where the water won't pass. The next thing, we'll now start having a Lagos state in Abuja. Yeah, next thing we'll start having Lagos in Abuja, where water does not pass anywhere. Everywhere now will start to be flood. See, from the other estates, they've already created a road. As you can see, there's an estate there before. That place was not an entrance. You see that place where this road is coming out? It's not an entrance. But this man don't allocate them. Look, it's meant to be a green area. Jesus Christ. Anything I wicked is saying now for money. Anything. Anything. Literally anything, bro. Where are the gatekeepers of Abuja? If you don't stop Nelson Wike, I swear, this town will soon start flooding. See trees, all these trees that are growing here, he will soon start killing it. Now take a good look at the view. See where this man go fence, my God. See where this man go fence, my God. What is Abuja turning to? All right, so this fence where me and you they stand on now, show the fence.
The fence is from this house to this bridge. All is a chaff fence.
Okay.
They already do everything wrong.
Which time they do this fence?
They are doing it normally as they are doing this one.
Okay.
The demolition one, the demolition. They are doing it. They do the fence before they are starting working inside.
Okay, so they do this fence before they start to work there. So
Yes,
this
boss.
fence no day before.
No day before.
Yeah, now only water they
Now
pass.
only water they pass.
So but now they won't start to build
They won't
because
start
since
to
they don't develop them.
Yes.
How many years you don't do here?
I did here almost 25 years.
Almost 25 years.
Yes.
And this place
They at the day.
very green,
Very
green area.
Green area.
But now these people, you ask them who give them permission to build.
Now they say na FCDA.
FCDA now give them permission to build.
Yes. After FCDA give them permission, they press them come out and come demolish the place.
Okay, then now another people don't come.
Now another people coming.
Okay, no wahala. Thank you very much.
Yes, boss.
End up. Show the fence, show the other side, go front, zoom that place again.